Welcome! This unit is hot. Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Auntie TC. For those of you who don't know me and for those of you who do, thank you for joining me in another wig review. Today's wig that I'll be reviewing today is Maximina. Outre Maximina. So without further ado, go ahead and watch me install the wig and then come back and I will tell you whether this wig is worth it or not, especially for this price point. Let's go.
Wanna be side by side. I wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? Side by side. I was kinda hoping we could work this out, 'cause I don't really know what I would do without you. I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. I wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. Side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. I wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? Side by side. I was kinda hoping we could work this out, 'cause I don't really know what I would do without you. I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. I wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. Side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. Side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. I wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? Side by side. Hoping we can work this out, 'cause I don't really know what I would do without you. I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. I wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. Side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie, not this time. Alright. wanna be side by side. Side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie. Not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. I wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? Side by side. I was kinda hoping we could work this out, 'cause I don't really know what I would do without you. I know it seems direct, but I can't lie. Not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. I wanna be side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie. Not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side. Side by side. Do you wanna be side by side? I know it seems direct, but I can't lie. Not this time. Alright. Wanna be side by side.
Now if you watch me install the wig, let's go ahead and talk about some specs about the cap construction, or some specs about the wig. It does come with 3 combs, one on this side, one on the side, one in the back, adjustable straps. It is a 360 lace front wig. It is a 13 by 6 hand-tied lace front. It is 22 inches. It has transparent HD lace, no plucking required. It is a premium human hair blend. It is 360 all around hand-tied lace edges. It's 13 by 6 HD lace frontal, pre-plucked hairline with a natural shape. It has a full template coverage in sideburn to sideburn hand-tied lace. It has a pre-attached elastic band for a flat fit. I have the wig in the color Havana brown. Because it has a 13 by 6, it does allow for different hairstyles, and these are just on the stock card. Do I think this, before I give you my thoughts, let's just get right into it. Do I think this wig is worth, what does it start at? $69.95? No, I think this joint should have been in the $37.99 range, maybe even, yeah, $37.99 because of the length. This bad boy is big head friendly. Is it big head friendly? Yeah, it is big head friendly, but this joint sheds, it is hot, it tangles, has flyaways. I don't need to be paying damn near $7 for all that. Okay, Outre? Okay, it's cute taking pictures, but that's about it. I can't go on too much longer with this hot unit on my head. Why is it so hot? And I know I'm in Texas, but damn, this unit is hot, and I'm not even outside yet. The tangles, honey, look. A lot of tangles, a lot of shedding, a lot of flyaway. I would give this unit 4.5 stars. The price, it is too high for all these problems. I don't care if it's human blend, human sister blend, sister and the human blend, synthetic and the sister. I don't care what it is. It's too much. For that price, if I'm paying $70, I should just spend the extra $30, make it $100 and something, get a human hair wig, and I don't have none of these problems, and probably get the same length. So Outre, what are we doing? If you need, I keep telling y'all, Outre, if you need somebody on your quality control, quality analyst team, hit me up. I got you, because this should not have passed the quality check for that price point. It should not have, okay? It should have. It's too high for all these problems. So I'll be giving this unit a 4.5, and it is versatile, but it still has a lot of issues that it shouldn't be that high for all these issues. I'm sorry, it shouldn't be that high. Look, see, whenever I do this, child, know this unit is not gonna last. So I do love the color though, and again I have it in Havana brown. So yeah, let me come closer so you can see the real color. So if you got to the end of the video, you're the real MVP. Go ahead and like the video, comment on the video. Let me know if you think you would pick this unit up for this price point. Even if for this price point just because of the human hair blend. Let me know if you will be picking up the unit, what you thought about the unit on me. Does it look like something that goes well with my skin tone? Do you like how I style it? And go ahead and like the video, comment on the video, share the video. And if you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe, hit that notification bell. And I'll see you next week. Bye guys.